here at Stone Barns, which houses a restaurant, a cafe, a farm, agricultural research, lined with linden trees, which is of the place, which you'd find on a historic estate in the Northeast. These have been here, I would imagine, a dozen years or so, and they're filling in beautifully. There's been structural pruning done, so the tree has relatively good structure. I mean, a linden tree can become congested with lots of interior branches. So there's some larger pruning cuts have been made to give it good structure. There's more or less an overabundance of branches on many shade trees when they come from a grower. They're growing it so it's full. And so this is relatively good structure. The branches all have room to spread out, not congested. And the linden is prone to lots of interior shoots like that, so there's just some periodic maintenance to remove those.